Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Forest River Shockwave. It's a 27 RQDX. Come on in, I'm going to show you this toy hauler. So when you come in, this is got seating and sleeping for a lot of people. You got a bunk here, then you got your side-by-side dinette. You can remove the table. That'll turn into a bed as well. Over here you have a jackknife sofa bed, and then you have your tables here. You have storage on both sides. In the galley you got a 3-burner cooktop, your oven, and then a high point stainless steel microwave. Got a Corian countertop, one piece, and a nice deep sink. And then you have storage above. And then you got 3 fully extending drawers. And then a cabinet for a wastebasket. You got a 2-door Dometic fridge freezer combo. Come on in over here to the bathroom. You got your corner shower, your sink, your medicine cabinet, and then let's go into the bedroom. Got a walk-around queen-size bed. Got wardrobe on both sides. You also got outlets and USB ports, power awning, and then 2 outside speakers. This unit has electric stab jacks. Your fill station. Outside shower. And then an Onan 4,000 watt generator. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2018 Shockwave, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.